Good morning, boys. Very good morning. I welcome you all for this class. Of course, would like to entertain you by giving you little information about general knowledge related to that is important grasslands. Important grasslands. Of course, this video for next week, this week, 10th Wednesday. Okay, so this class will discuss about important grasslands. As you know, grasslands is a kind of vegetation which will be grown in different places according to the climatic conditions. Ultimately, this grasslands is a major food for the cattle in different regions of the globe. So, generally in UPSC examinations, they used to ask you related to this grasslands one question. So these grasslands will be known different regions of the world. So they given different names according to the continents. As you know, you are all grown-up children. You might have heard about and you have studied earlier about the important grasslands. These grasslands are located almost all the 7 continents. Right? So those grasslands here, example if you see, we take a grasslands, and here you see continents, grasslands and continents. You see grasslands and continents. If you see grasslands. So these grasslands, so according to sometimes even due to climatic conditions, they have to grow up to 12 meters height. So such grasslands are called as savanna grasslands. So these grasslands can be identified in savanna grasslands in African continent. So I will give you first brief note on name of the grasslands, then find where these grasslands are located. Okay, first I will give you prairies. Right there. Prairies, grasslands. Then steppes, S-T-E-P-P-I-S. Steppes. Prairies, steppes. Well, yes, well. Prairies, steppes. Well, right? Prairies, steppes, well. Fourth one is dawns. D-O-W-N-S. Dawns. Fifth one is and pampas. P-A-M-P-A-S. Pampas. And sixth one is prairies, of course, North America. Steppes, Eurasia. Well, Africa. And dawns, Australia. And pampas in South America. Even next, campus. Next one is campus. These grasslands also can be identified in the highlands of Brazil. That is what is situated in South America. So these grasslands are located in different parts of the world. That is taking all the there are how many? There are 6 prairies, steppes, wells, dawns, pampas, and campus. Campus, grasslands. Now we can identify where these grasslands are. Where these grasslands are situated. If you take these prairies, it is in North America. It is in North America. Prairies grasslands can be identified in North America. Steppes, it is in Asia. It is in Asia. Steppes grasslands can be identified in Asia. Right? Then come to well grasslands from Africa. South Africa is. You write down South Africa. F-R-I is South Africa. Well grasslands will be South Africa. Then come to dawns. Dawns will be Australia. A-U-S-T-R-A LIAT. Those grasslands will be Australia. Then followed by, what is that one? South America. Followed by South America, AMERICA. Followed by South America. And come to last one is campus. That is, it is also South America. It is also South America. Why? Because I mentioned both Pampas, campus. Both are in South America, but it is, if you take the grasslands of South America is known as, grasslands of South America is known as, if they ask you write down, it is Pampas. That is, Pampas grasslands can be identified in which continent? South America, North America, Australia and Europe. So Pampas grasslands, where you write down South America. Yes. The same related to same continent. If you ask you campus, so these are also name of the grasslands. Campus is CAMPS, campus. These grasslands are also located in South America, but in certain portion, in certain part of the South America, in certain portion of the South America. So the grasslands of Brazilian highlands is known as. If they ask you a question, the grasslands of Brazilian highlands is known as, the grasslands of Brazilian highlands is known as A, that is campus, B, steppes, C, well, D, none of the above. So the grasslands of Brazilian highlands, if they ask you to write down campus. So you should not forget. The same grasslands of South America, if they mention continent directly, you should write Pampas. The grasslands of South America is known as Pampas. The same, the grasslands of Brazilian highlands of South America, they mention Brazilian highlands of South America, or otherwise Brazilian highlands is known as. So Brazilian highlands, it is in South America, where Brazil. Brazil is one of the biggest country in the South American continent. So this is, you should not confuse about this campus and Pampas. So Pampas are the major grasslands of South America, and campus also a grasslands of the certain regions of Brazilian highlands. Brazilian highlands, you can remember this. Brazilian highlands is known as campus. Grasslands of South America is known as Pampas. So these two, of course, both belongs to South American continent. Both belongs to South American continent. Both belongs to South American continent. That is South America and Africa. South America and America. South America and so the grasslands of South America is known as Pampas. The grasslands of Brazilian highlands is known as, that is campus. The grasslands of Brazilian highlands is known as campus. The Brazilian highland is known as campus. Clear? That is the distinction. So this you should know about in megatic series. Everybody should know. Everybody should know about the grasslands of the world. Yeah, there are various grasslands situated in different continents of the world. That is prairies, North America, and steppes, Eurasia. Eurasia means both these grasslands can be identified in both Europe as well as Asia. Sometimes they may ask you the steppes grasslands located in the continent of Europe, Africa, South America and Australia. You can write in Europe. Sometimes they will ask you the grasslands of Siberian Islands is known as. Right? If they ask you Siberian Islands, you write down that is also steppes. The Siberian Islands are the major part of the Russia. So the grasslands also can be identified a part of the islands of Siberian, that is Russia. So steppe is also Eurasia. It's not Asia, it is Eurasia. You write down Eurasia. Eurasia is Europe and Asia. Here you write down Europe plus Asia, that is Eurasia. So steppes can be identified in Eurasia. That is both Europe as well as Asia. The grasslands the steppes grasslands can be identified in, that is Asia, Europe as well as Asia. Here, now coming to these wells. Well grassland, that is South Africa. WELS, wells. The grasslands of South Africa is known as well. Is well grasslands. Downs, it can be identified in where it is Australia. Down grasslands are identified in Australia. Pampas are the major grasslands of which continent? South American continent. And campus grasslands can be identified in South America. Grasslands of campus can be identified in the Brazilian highlands of South America. The grasslands of Brazilian highlands is known as, that is campus, pampas, down, wells, steppes and prairies. These are the major grasslands of the world. Clear? You should know it is because compulsory sometimes they'll ask you one question on the grasslands related to vegetation regarding the mountains, coniferous forest, wheat-eating forest, okay, tropical evergreen forest, deciduous, mangrove. So related to the vegetation beds or grasslands, they'll ask you one question. So you should know about the important grasslands in the world, that is prairies, North America, steppes, Eurasia, well, South Africa, right? Down grasslands, Australia, and pampas, South America, and campus is the highlands of Brazilian highlands. The grasslands of Brazilian highlands is known as that is campus. The grasslands of Brazilian highlands is known as campus. CAMPASS, campus. Clear? The grasslands of Brazilian highlands is known as campus. CAMPASS, campus. The grasslands of Brazilian highlands is known as campus. That is South America. Clear? So these are the distinctions, important grasslands of South America. Of course, you have studied in the lower classes. Just you want to have it hands. Because now there is no UPS exams already over. Now you have been concentrating on your UPS examination, board examinations. At the same time, before you coming here, you have to concentrate about your first B-Certificate examination. I tell you boys, B-Certificate examination is going to be held of this month for 12th class especially. This month 20th is practical and Sunday is your theory paper. Saturday will be your practical, map reading, FCPC, weapon training and field craft and that is field craft and battlefield is FCPC, map reading, weapon training and one more class. There are 4 this thing that will be on Saturday 20th February and 21st will be your written paper. Morning 9 o'clock you start, 9 o'clock 3 hours, 10, 11, 12, 3 hours your written paper will be on. So this is very important, it is very emergency and most important work which we are going to do this month, that is on 20th and 21st. Right? So therefore when you are going to come, I pray God, if we come before 20th February, I will be very much thankful to authorities because we can prepare for our visa examination. Otherwise, you have to wait what is going to happen. Right? So therefore, yes, now tell me friends, if any doubt regarding the grasslands, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should be on fingertips. Important grassland of the world. Yes, prairies, North America. Steppes, South America. Sorry, steppes, Eurasia. Well, South Africa. Pampas, South America. Campus, the highlands of Brazil. Brazilian highlands. The Brazilian highlands. Brazilian highlands is known as, that is, Campus. And Dawn, Australia. These are the important grasslands which we can identify in the this thing. It's very important question for our UPSC examination. Clear? This I would like to tell you. Why today given? Because just want to engage. Because instead of leaving you, so authority has given one period. So you have to engage, so there is no other way. So therefore I am giving this information. Please go to it. Okay? Important grasslands of world. So you remember all this. One is Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, except Antarctica. Because Antarctica is the entire continent is covered by icebergs. Covered by icebergs. That is you can say tundra region, covering of completely covering of ice and snow. Right? Right. So once again I repeat the important grasslands: prairies, steppes, well, pampas, campus, and dawns. And dawns. DAWs, dawns. The grasslands of dawns is known as Australia, North America, South America, and Africa. It is in Australia. The prairies grasslands of grasslands can be identified in fields. Yeah, prairies it is in North America. Then steppes can be identified in Asia. These can be identified in both the continents, Europe also as well as Asia. These grasslands can be identified in both the continents. Then well, these can be identified in Africa. Yes. See, the grasslands of South Africa is as well. If they ask you grasslands of Africa, you can say savanna grasslands. If they mention continent, the grasslands of African continent is known as, you write down the savannas. If they ask you the grasslands of South Africa, if they mention the country name, yeah, then it is written well. The grasslands of South Africa is known as well. The grasslands of South African continent is known as savanna grasslands. Write down savannas. S-A-V-A-N-A, savanna grasslands. G-R-A-S-S-L-A-N, savanna grasslands. Don't confuse. This I would like to tell you. These are the important grasslands of the world. Clear?